Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The main themes in Caged Bird are freedom and confinement, artistic expression as resistance, and civil rights. Freedom and confinement. As its title indicates, Caged Bird is concerned with both imprisonment and the innate urge for freedom.
Take our lead.
This poem evokes the sympathy of its reader for the bird who cannot soar under the sun with the wind beneath his wings. Still, the bird's spirit is resilient and the imprisoned bird expresses his desire to soar despite his bindings. The overall tone of the poem is sorrowful, but persevering.
Take our lead.
Answer. Themes are the most significant underlying points of a story. I Know Why the Caged Bird Sings, an autobiographical account of Maya Angelou's childhood, describes her life through the themes of racism, self-acceptance.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.